At Gold Star, what we believe is that mortgage originators should be doing three things and three things only. Number one is to generate leads. Number two is to manage your business using technology. And number three is to convert leads by being valuable. This video is going to be dealing with converting leads by being valuable. What most loan officers do is they sell themselves, and they talk about price, product, and service, price, product, and service. So what we try and help you understand is everybody's talking about price, product, and service. Therefore, by definition, you're not unique and you're not valuable. So what if we changed it and you started selling your system? I'm going to give you an example. I know most managers, most loan officers have had some sort of AMC approach you and say, you should stop using your AMC and start using our AMC because we've got great technology, great pricing, we really care about our clients, we've got great appraisers. And as soon as they're done, what do you do with their information? You throw it in the garbage. So I'm going to give you an example of, I'm now an AMC, I'm going to sell you on my AMC, and you tell me if you would do business with me based on me telling you about my system. So here's the script. I'm sure you've got every other AMC in town coming to you saying they've got great rates and great service, and we do, but that's not why you should do business with us. The reason you should do business with my AMC is we have an addendum that requires all of our appraisers to do 5 added things on every appraisal visit. If you find value in these 5 things, let's do business. Step 1 of our 5-step system. Every appraiser, when they approach the house, must have our company logo on their chest. What we've learned is that typically it's the lady of the house at home. And so when the appraiser shows up, we want the logo on the chest so that they know that they're expected. We want the homeowner feeling comforted. Number 2, when the appraiser walks into the house, they're immediately going to remove their shoes. They're not going to ask if they should remove their shoes. They're going to respect the home, remove your shoes. Step 3, homeowners typically are going to what I call grease the skids. They're gonna bake cookies, make coffee, try and make the appraiser feel like the home has a higher value. They do these little things. Most appraisers are gonna say, no thank you. What we've learned is that when you enter someone's home and they've extended hospitality and you refuse that hospitality, it actually doesn't feel good. So our appraisers are gonna graciously accept that hospitality. Step 4, the appraiser is then going to walk around the house with their iPad and start taking notes on the house. The homeowner is going to want to walk around with the appraiser and describe all the little things they've done to the house that they think have increased the value of the house. None of those things have increased the value of the house. So most appraisers are going to say to the homeowner, I can't put that in the appraisal. Our appraiser is going to make a separate addendum to the appraisal, and they're going to list every single thing that homeowner says, because we know the homeowner is going to get a copy of that appraisal. We want the homeowner to feel heard. Step 5, when the appraiser is going to leave the house, they're going to pull what we call a Columbo. Now you may be too young to know what that means, but in the 70s there was a detective show. Columbo would do this thing where he would grab the handle of the door, stop, turn around, and ask one last question. So that's what the appraiser is going to do. Stop, turn around, say one last thing. I understand that in the order, Eric Mitchell was the loan officer on your order, and I just wanted to let you know Eric Mitchell is the best loan officer I've ever seen. And so I just wanted to make sure you knew that. Now, if that 5-step system is valuable to you, I wanted to let you know that every single appraiser on our system has to sign that contract or they can't be an appraiser on our system. Would you like to do business? Now, I'm willing to bet as a loan officer watching this video, you'd like to do business with my AMC. You didn't ask me what we charge because it doesn't matter, because the system is so valuable, it doesn't matter. Now, are you doing the same thing as a loan officer to your realtors, to your borrowers? Are you selling a system that is so valuable? Imagine being able to say to your borrowers, the reason you want to do business with me is I'm going to save you $50,000 to $100,000 when you buy your house by making an offer with no loan contingency. Let me explain to you how that works. It's not about my service or my price or that I care. Of course I care. Those are minimum bare standards. What we found is that most loan officers are selling price, product, and service. What we want to help is selling systems and team. That's how you convert by being valuable. We'd love to show you how that works.